Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change date of birth on Facebook. This change is easy to make it both the mobile app and on facebook.com. If you'd rather just hide your birthday or birth year and not actually change it, you can easily change the privacy level in your birth date settings. Facebook limits how often you can change your birth date, although they don't actually specify how often it can be changed. If you run into problems changing your birth date, try waiting a few days or weeks before making another attempt. First, open Facebook and then tap the three-line menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then, tap Settings. Now, tap Profile Information. You'll see this under Audience and Visibility. Depending on the size of your screen, you may have to scroll down to see it. Tap the Edit next to Basic Information. Select your birthday and birth year. The top sections allows you to choose the day and month of your birthday, while the following sections lets you select your birth year. And choose an audience for your birth date. Next to audience, you'll see who can view your birth date. This determines who can see your birthday and birth year on your profile. You can select the audience for your birthday and birth year separately. To change the audience, tap the current audience and then make your selection. Repeat for both your birthday and birth year. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.